Welcome to Big Ten PD. We pack a punch for only 10 minutes. Well, maybe a little more sometime. Now, if you're watching on TouchCast, you're in luck, as all the content's interactive. Yes, you can actually play with the stuff straight from the video. If you're watching on YouTube, you don't have the same advantage, so I encourage you to visit the TouchCast page with the link in the annotations. Now, today's topic is 10 apps in 10 minutes for teachers of older science students. So this is mostly for our middle school and our high school teachers. I'm David Lockhart, your host and EdTech guru. Now let's get right to it. Number one is Shout Learning. Do you want to connect with Smithsonian researchers on the environment? Shout Learning lets you do it. Shout Learning is a website connected with Smithsonian researchers that has videos and projects for students to do on environmental issues. The videos are in a live conference format. You can either attend the live conference or you can watch in the recorded stream. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from this video. Now number two is the Zygot Body Browser. It's amazing the things you can do with technology today. You can even explore the entire body. That's where the Zygot Body Browser comes in. The Zygot Body Browser is an online interface that allows you to cut the body down to one group, such as muscles, bones, organs, and the brain. It then tells you what each specific part of the body is. It'd be a great tool for biology classes. You don't really even have to dissect anything anymore, really, to explore organs and the inner workings of a body. Now I'm going to open this up on the web. Feel free to play with it and get started straight from the video. Just a hint though, if you're watching this on an iPad, Zygot Body Browser is only something that works on computers. Now number three is Stellarium. It's hard to say. Have you ever wanted to go to the planetarium and you just don't have the money to take that field trip? Stellarium lets you have a full virtual planetarium for free on your computer. It shows a realistic night sky in 3D and allows you to explore it. This would be a great addition to any astronomy class or maybe even a physics class. The best part is you can download the software to almost any computer platform, including Mac, PC, and Linux. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started, as always, from the video. Now number four is Starwalk. Augmented reality is all the rage now. There are augmented reality coloring sheets, restaurant reviews, and many more. One of the great ways in science is to use it to decipher the solar system. Starwalk's an iOS app that lets you do that. You hold the app up to the sky and it gives you real-time information on the location of planets, stars, and constellation. It's another app that would be incredible in the science classroom, especially astronomy, by giving kids real-time feedback on the setup of the solar system. There is an Android counterpart, but it's not by the same company. Now I'm going to open this up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. It's an app, so you'll have to download the app first. Now number five is Algodo. Gamification is an easy way to learn, and what better subject to do it with than physics? Algodo is an awesome site that allows you to build 2D physics simulations and use them. Algodo could be a great way to make physics come alive for students. It's also a great way to make it interactive. Now I'm putting this up on the web, so feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Hopefully it'll show on yours because I'm at school and Algodo's blocked because it's games. Yeah, that's a real good decision by my current school district. All right, welcome to Big Ten PD. This is part B of 10 apps in 10 minutes for older science students. And so this will be number 6 through number 10. And so number 6 is Build a Cell. Are you a biology teacher? I actually pulled it too far, but that's okay. Are you a biology teacher who wants to make the discovery of cells interactive? Never worry, there's a site online called Build a Cell where you can actually build cells. Build-A-Cell is actually a game that lets the user build animal cells, plant cells, bacteria cells, and fungi cells virtually. What better way to learn cell structure than through a game that makes it increasingly interactive? And now I already have opened it up on the web, so feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 7. Number 7 is the Life Cycle app. Students in biology classes study the life cycles, and the Life Cycle app gives you an easy visual way to learn that. The Life Cycle app gives students a visual depiction of the cycle of life for several animals, such as frogs and butterflies. It also gives the cycles of nature that are very important to life on Earth, such as the moon cycle and photosynthesis. It does cost 99 cents, but isn't that worth it to give a great representation of life cycles? Now, this is an iOS app, so I'm actually going to open up kind of a review of it instead of it actually on the App Store. So if you want to go and find this, it's on the App Store, but here's a review that will tell you more. Now, number 8. Number 8 is Earth Viewer. How cool would it be to follow how the Earth developed? The Earth Viewer app lets you do it. Earth Viewer is an app that lets you focus on a specific landmark, and you can see how it changed over time, from the landscape to geology to human interaction. It's all based on scientific research. This would be a great tool for a geology class or a bio class to study how the Earth developed. Now I'm going to open this up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 9. Number 9 is the Periodic Table Explorer. Do you need to explore the periodic table? Well, there is an app for that. The Periodic Table Explorer gives you all the reference material you need to succeed in a chemistry class. It includes the compounds, physical properties, and even images, and even more than that, of periodic elements. The Explorer has versions for iOS, Mac, and PC, so you can get it to fit almost any need. Now I'm going to open up, of course I'm going to open it up on the lab. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 10. Number 10 is Video Science. Now science is a subject that really needs great videos. You can show kids experiments and explore all kinds of the world's scientific actions. Video Science gives you access to that video library. The video library focuses on all kinds of experiments, and it's hosted by a teacher from the UN International School. The whole idea is to get kids excited about science and maybe even give them a few experiments that they can do at home with their parents. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. And thanks for watching. You can find more on my Twitter feed at LD112265, or of course you can find a lot more at EdTech Speed Dating.